Welcome, wordsmiths. Today is September 4th. I'm going to do something a little bit different. I am going to have a bonus video at the end, so stay tuned to see what that's about. If you want to skip ahead, you can. This is my Minute Cryptic solve. Today, September the 4th. Let's begin today's Minute Cryptic. Midday exhibit oddly cancelled. 6 letters. Okay, well, first thing I can see is oddly be possible indicator, meaning you take the odd letters, whether it's the odd letters of cancelled or exhibit, I'll have to work out. Midday could be the definition, or I could take the middle of day, which is at A. But let's see, the odd letters of exhibit is A, H, B, and T, and that's not enough letters to make a word. Another way to say midday is noon, but that is only 4 letters. If I take there's 7 letters in that, so I can't scramble that up. If I take the odd letters of cancelled, I get C, N, E, L, one, two, three, four, D. And again, not enough. Trying to think of another way to say cancelled. It's midday exhibit. Midday unless day goes in the middle, but then what's the oddly? Okay, there's a couple of hints I could try. There's a bonus hint, interesting. There's a definition. I could try the bonus hint and see what I can get, just to have a bit of a direction. Because oddly it's telling me to say like I did take the every second letter. If that's the case, it could be A, C, L, E, but again, that doesn't help. Okay. Show you a bonus hint. Okay, so it's a bit of a stretch, this one, so no wonder I couldn't get it straight away. So applying the indicators to the photo won't quite get us the answer. This is unusual. Once we have done that, we need to apply one more technique, a common substitute. Okay, so we've got a substitute. So maybe I do need to know what the fodder is so I can do the substitution. Okay, so only exhibit is just, okay, so that's gonna help me now. Okay, so exhibit has too many letters. So if we take one of the letters out, we do have exit in it. Got X it. Okay, if we take out the letters there, but oddly cancelled. Exited could be kind of an answer. Take out the middle letters, but then you could say it's got a bit of a stretch. So let's think. Mid-J means you take out part of the... Okay, I might have to get this on par. Okay, this is slightly confusing. You have cancelled with the question mark, exhibit being the fodder, which has 7 letters. Exits in the word, but that doesn't mean cancelled. Okay, do I need to have to actually look at the definition of indicators? Okay, another word for cancelled is X. See, it's X, it's cancelled, but that's not... Okay, I have to get the definition. If I get use I'll get the if I get a definition, then I can work it around from there. Okay, so I was glad I checked that because I was thinking cancelled. So it says substitution on the word, but it means midday. Okay, so the middle of the day. Okay, so how do we get rid of... Okay, get rid of the odd letters. What, we got E, got X, we got a H, we got a... Okay, so it's oddly cancelled, being the indicators. Alright. Just one I'm definitely glad I've had the hints, even though it means I'm on par. Let's have a look. What could be odd? The X? Could get rid of the X. They said that that bonus one said that we have to substitute. Okay. Okay. Tough one today. Thank you, Liam, making me think. We've got midday is 12 o'clock. It's noon. We got substitute. Okay. It's been 10 minutes, so let's have a look. Let's see if I can get this solved. Cancelled means it's a deletion indicator. Oddly, could be a selection. Does cancelled mean there's an ED at the end of it? Something, because you cancel and then it's the ED. If it's LAD at the end, if you remove the odd letters, we're left with X, I, which doesn't help. Okay. Alright, let's have a look. Really confused with some of them, but that's alright. Got the fodder, I've got the bonus hint. I've got, should have checked the indicators. Do 1 over par, won't hurt me. Okay, let's just see what the indicators are. Okay, so I was right with the ideas. Okay, so we gotta select and we have to delete. But it doesn't tell us, oddly tells us to select the letters. Okay, so we've got to pick the, do we pick the odd letters or do we cancel the odd letters? See, cancelled is the whole indicator. So if we get rid of the, if we keep the odd letters, E, H, B, T. It's only 4 letters. Midday is the definition, but it's a bit of a stretch because I've got to substitute. Got to do a substitution. Okay, so maybe actually. Okay. If we cancelled, if we delete something, then we got to substitute. Okay, so let's see, what can we have from those? Might have to watch the video at the end of this one, because this one's definitely getting me stumped. Okay, what's another day of midday? 12. 12, 6 letters, but how do I get that? Okay, I have to watch the video. That was just a stab in the dark based on the fact that midday is 12 o'clock. How on earth? Okay, I definitely need to watch the video. It took me about 15 minutes to solve this one. I'll get back to you after I watch the video. Alright, I just watched the video and explained it. Again, I overthought it. I need to remember that sometimes they use numerals instead of words. I had the right idea with getting rid of the odd letters, but I just added the LED when I shouldn't have. 12 as Roman numerals is XXI, which is the even letters in the word. Again, I was overthinking it. Today was day 160 of doing Wordle. So as a bonus for watching this video, you get to see how I go. I'm experimenting with a technique so I can have my face on camera. Leave a comment, let me know how you think. It's time to get into the Wordle. Today is September the 4th. I'm up to day 160 of Wordle. Let's play it and see if I can keep my streak. My first word will be dream. These are two of the vowels and an RD. E is in the right spot, but D is not. All right. Could end with end. There's so many combinations of that, though, that I need to be certain that it's not something else. Wait a minute. Actually, no, there's less options than I thought. Let's try blend. There we go. 160. Got it in 2. That's 2 days in a row that I've got it in 2. One of these days I might get it in 1. But that's it for now.